Good day, students. My name is Teacher Dean, and we are here today to discuss scientific notation. So, what is a scientific notation? A scientific notation is a system of expressing numbers as a product of a decimal between 1 and 10 and power of 10. We are using scientific notation in order to easily represent numbers that are either very large or very small. So today, we are going to talk about how to write numbers in scientific notations. At this example, we have to find out how 53.9 times 10 raised to 7 becomes 539 million. Step 1. Locate the decimal point in the given number. Our decimal point here is located between 3 and 9. Step 2. Determine the significant digits. What are the numbers that we will be using in order to get the product of 539 million? Of course, 53.9. Step 3. Determine the value of exponent of 10 and move the decimal point based in the value of exponent of the power of 10. Step 4. Write the product. So, if you multiply 53.9 to 10 raised to 7, your product would be 539 million. How about if the given number are already in a standard form and we have to change it into scientific notation? Step 1. Locate the decimal point in the given number. Always remember that decimal point in whole numbers can be found at the very last part of our number sentence. Step 2. Determine the significant digits. What are our significant digits? We have 642 because they are the only numbers that we can use to form 642 million into scientific notation. Step 3. Write the significant digits as a decimal that is greater than 1 but less than 10. So how are we going to do in 642 million? So I have already 6.42. How did I get 6.42? 6, as you can see, 6 is greater than 1 but less than 10. Even 6.42 has the rest of the numbers on its right side till 0.42 are at the decimal places which is lower than 1. So we consider 6.42 as greater than 1 but less than 10. Step 4. Determine the exponent of the power of 10 by counting the number of decimal places. The decimal point was moved to the left to get the decimal in step 3. So how are we going to do at this point? So let's say we have 6.42. At this step, we need to determine how many times do we have to move the decimal point in order to come up or to reach 6.42. So at this point, we have to determine how many times do we have to move the decimal point in order to reach 6.42. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So meaning to say, it has 8 decimal places. 6.42 can be multiplied by 10 raised to 8. So here's the step 5. Write the given number in scientific notation as a product of the decimal in step 3 and the power of 10 in step 4. So we have 6.42 times 10 raised to 8 equals to 642 million. If you will simply multiply the scientific notation 6.42 times 10 raised to 8, we could come up in an answer of 642 million. I hope you've learned something today. Again, I am your teacher, Dean. Thank you for watching.